Hello. Good morning, good afternoon, and good evening. Welcome po sa ating channel. At bago tayo magpatuloy, pakihingi ng isang like and subscribe. At huwag kalimutang pindutin ang notification bell para lagi tayong updated sa mga bagong upload natin. Okay, so our topic is about expressing rates to unit rate. Okay, so review muna tayo. Simplify me or express its ratio in simplest form. Ibig sabihin, yung simplest form na sinasabi dito, we have to reduce to lowest term. Okay, so 3 out of 12. So that is equal to 3 over 12 or simplest form natin yan or i-reduce natin to lowest term, divide natin yan by 3 si numerator at saka si denominator. So 3 divided by 3, that is 1. Then 12 divided by 3, that is 4. Okay, so number 2, 40 km to 60 km. So express natin into fraction or in ratio. This 40 is to 60. Then i-divide natin si numerator at denominator by 20. Si denominator din by 20. So 40 divided by 20, that is 2. Then 60 divided by 20, that is 3. Okay, so number 3, 18 wins out of 36 wins. So this is 18 wins over 36. So divide lang natin yan by 18. Okay? Si numerator, divide natin by 18. Si denominator, divide natin by 18. So 18 divided by 18 is 1. 36 divided by 18, that is 2. Okay? So next, in converting rates to unit rates, it is important to know on how to get the lowest term of a fraction or to know the greatest common factor of the numerator and denominator. Okay, so dito sa rates, meron tayong number 1, 200 words in 5 minutes. So, paano natin gagawin ito? So, kunin natin yung lowest term. So, paano natin kunin yung lowest term? Okay, kunin natin yung kanilang greatest common factors ni numerator and denominator. Dapat divisible siya, both numerator and denominator. Okay, so number 1, 200 words in 5 minutes. Express muna natin yan in fraction form. 200 divided by 5. Okay, so yung GCF dito, that is equal to 5. Kasi si 5, ma-divide siya sa numerator, ma-divide din siya sa denominator. Okay, so divide natin yan, divide by 5, divide by 5. So, yung 200 divided by 5, that is equal to 40. Okay, so 5 divided by 5, that is 1. Or 40 divided by 1, that is 40. So, in unit rates, paano natin yan gawin sa unit rates or convert into unit rates? So, that is 40 words per minute. Okay? So, number 2, 300 books in 15 shelves. So, express natin sa fraction form, that is 300 divided by 15. Okay? And then, kunin natin yung GCF. Yung GCF nila is 15. Si 15, ma-divide din sa 300. Si 15, ma-divide din sa 15. Okay, so, i-divide natin yan. Si 300 by 15. Si 15, divide din natin siya by 15. So, 300 divided by 15, that is 20. Check natin ha. 20 times 15. Check ko lang. 0, 10, 0, 2. Okay, 0, 0, 3. Okay, 20. Then, 15 divided by 15 is 1. So, 20 divided by 1, that is 20. So, yun ang lowest term niya. So, ngayon, sa unit rates, yung unit rates natin dito, so since 20 yung sagot natin, that is 20 books. Okay, 20 books per shelf. Okay. So number 3, 128 pesos per 2 liters of gasoline. So madali lang ito. Of course, i-express lang natin sa fraction. So 128 divided by 2. Okay, so i-divide lang natin sila sa kanilang GCF na 2. Kasi si 2 ma-divide sa 28, ma-divide din siya sa 2. Okay, so 128 divided by 2, tsaka si 2 divided by 2. So 128 divided by 2, that is 60, 120, 64. Okay, 64. So 2 divided by 2, that is 1. So equals 64. So sa unit rates niya, this is 64 pesos. 64 pesos. 64 pesos per liters. Wala na siyang 2 per liter na. Okay, so number 4. Number 4 natin dito is 50 dresses. So, wag natin sulat yung dress dyan. Divide by 10. Okay, erase ko muna yung ano dyan ha. Kasi pangit tingnan. Yan. So, 50, i-divide natin sa kanilang GCF na 10. So, 50 divided by 10, 10 divided by 10. So, 50 divided by 10, that is 5. 10 divided by 10, that is 1. So, 5. Okay? So, yung unit rates natin, that is 5 dresses. Dresses pa rin kasi marami. Per hour. Hour na lang kasi na ano na natin yan. So, next number 5 or last example, 200 pesos per 5 packs. So, simple lang yan. Express into fraction. So, 200 per 5. Okay? Or divide by 5. So, yung GCF is 5. Divide by 5, divide by 5. Okay, so nasolve na natin yung 200 divided by 5 kanina. Yung sa number 1 yata yon. So, 200 divided by 5, that is 40. 5 divided by 5 is 1. So, therefore, 40 yung sagot. Or, convert natin yan into unit rates. That is 40. Anong 200 pesos? 400 pesos. Okay? Pwede mong gamitin yung PHP ha. PHP. Yan. Per pack. Per pack. Okay, so maraming salamat sa panonood. At again, sa hindi pa nakasubscribe, paki-subscribe na lang at huwag kalimutang pindutin ang notification bell para lagi kang updated sa mga bagong upload natin. Maraming salamat and God bless.